CarStory research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include leather trim seats, anti-lock brakes. Take a ride in the 2011 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, fog lamps, tires, front performance. Inside you'll find keyless entry, heads-up display, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.